this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I'm just doing a 4K at 60 frames per second video on the Galaxy Z Fold6. Y'all let me know how everything sounds, how does everything look, because yeah, these are the cameras. This is what you would get if you pick up the Galaxy Z Fold6. Now let me know if you have the device or you're liking it, you know, what color you picked up. Let's have a friendly conversation in the comments below. But by what I'm seeing on the screen here, it looks amazing. Maybe a little bit punchy with the colors with the blue, but not looking bad at all. But I'm enjoying the phone. I've been having it for about a week now, a little bit less than a week. Stay tuned. I'm going to give y'all a week update on the phone and the watch. I actually have another phone to unbox. Come on, little blue car. You're going to go slow. But I'm really enjoying it. I mean, it's a beast. I love the boxy feel of it. I love the cameras on this thing. The display is great. Now, I mean, it has its little quirks, you know. The Samsung software, as far as the app drawer still being horizontal, is kind of nerve-wracking. The increase in the display is still there. It's noticeable. It hasn't gotten any better. The front screen, it could be wider, but it's not bad. I mean, it's a lot better than the Fold 3 that I had, and then from say the Fold 1 to now, yeah, it's definitely better. But overall, I'm enjoying it. Those are some things that, you know, it just hurts your nerve a little bit. But I know everybody's waiting for, like, the Ultra to come out, if it ever comes out. But, I mean, look at the cameras on this thing. And just listen to Baby Girl. That rumble. That rumble is badass. But I'm definitely enjoying it. I don't have any major complaints about it. Gaming was pretty smooth. I need to show y'all that video. I've been taking pictures with it daily, so that I haven't had a problem with that. I'm gonna come back and do like 4K at 30 too, just to show y'all. Maybe even an 8K separate video too. But I'm definitely enjoying it. It doesn't get hot. It hasn't overheated yet. Making videos like this on the go hasn't overheated yet. But y'all let me know if y'all have any complaints about it. You know, do you hate it? Do you hate the price? Do you hate the overall feel? Some people don't like the boxy feel, which I'm enjoying it. Again, the navy color I think is the best. Sorry for anybody else that got any other colors. I think the navy one is the best. But the speakers on here is good. Making phone calls, texting has all been good. But the main thing is we trying to test out the cameras. Yes, you know, the cameras will get better with time because they will send out updates. So this is no updates from the phone, and look at what it's doing now. I can't wait until they send more updates, get it even more fined in, tuned in, like they normally do. You know, some people always want to talk about the cameras are not the best on the Fold, which it's okay. These are good though. Y'all let me know. Alright, so I'm going to cut this video out. It's already 4 minutes long. Y'all let me know if y'all want anything else from me. Please let me know what other videos you want to see. If you like this little short vlog, let me know that also. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. At Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. And just one more time. That noise. That rumble. Alright, y'all. Peace.